how to allow all calls on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to allow all calls on your iPhone, you'll need to change the phone settings. Let's dive right in. Open up the settings app, go to the search bar at the bottom and then search for phone. Click on it, scroll down, and if silence unknown callers is toggled on, make sure that you turn it off. And as same as that, you can see unknown callers. If that is toggled on, then you can toggle it off as well. And then finally go to blocked contacts and make sure that you have not blocked contacts unintentionally. If you find block contacts that you do not want to block, then just unblock the contact and now you'll receive calls from them as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.